Ever wonder what happens to your TV after you drop it off for repair?
Yep, it's broken.
Look, I've told you 100 times, don't fix it, just ship it.
Yep, you told me.
Some service departments are really only shipping departments, but at West Coast Sound, we have 11 factory-authorized service technicians on the premises.
Don't take a chance. Come to the service experts at West Coast Sound. Otherwise...
You shipped that TV yet? Yep, I shipped it.
You really should ask about service before you buy something.
Are you sure you can fix this?
Don't worry, we'll take extra special care of it for you.
You don't have to get nervous about service. At West Coast Sound, our factory-authorized service technicians are specially trained to service everything we sell.
Don't take a chance. Come to the service experts at West Coast Sound. Otherwise...
Yep, it's broken.